Alright, let's go over the circular pattern tool. So I made a flange here and a sketch so that we have a line. So let's pop back into our hole wizard. And for this one, let's do some nice counterbore holes. And we can say we want to do it for... Actually, if I'm going to do that, we should probably make this guy a little thicker. Let's just set that an inch. Hole wizard. I want to go with those same, let's see, socket head cap screw, do a 1/2 inch, fit, normal, and condition up to next. Okay, and then for positions, we can click this face, click that guy right there, and then you can see that we have a nice little counterbore. So for our pattern, under the linear pattern, there's a little arrow. You can click that and hit circular pattern. Direction, you can just click an arc. And now we have our direction. So 360 degrees total is the total angle from the start to finish. So if you said you want 180 degrees, it will go, the pattern will be within that 180 degree arc. So you could say 270. Let's say you wanted a bunch of holes. You can see that it only patterns within that range of the circle. So that's for equal spacing, which in CATIA is called a full crown, is having this equal spacing and having that at 360. That's essentially what full crown does in CATIA. So it won't do any duplicate holes. You can see that the more holes you add, it just changes the spacing size all the way down to 2. If you have, it obviously won't let you only do 1, because that would be doing nothing. Let's also show you instant spacing. So instant spacing is where you can pick, let's say you want 30 degrees spacing, and you can keep going around your circle. This is where you get that sticky thing that happens in the CATIA without being on full crown. You can start having a very large number of holes, but since they land in the same spot, you can't see them. And it won't throw an error because it's not cutting anything. Let's go ahead and undo that. So what you'll want, let's see, circular pattern. Grab our arc again. Features, it just automatically selected for us. If you are going to be doing a whole circle, you'll want to just do equal spacing. That way it automatically adjusts this degree for you. You can also, let's say you have 15 holes, you can say you want to do the spacing 360 divided by 15 holes, and that will automatically do it. But you will have, if your holes change, you'll have to remember to come and do this. You can also put in mathematical expressions that will automatically update. And then also, just like with linear pattern, you can also do instances to skip. So you can say, let's say at the opposite side, maybe we don't want these 2 holes. So you can just easily click those off, and then maybe you also don't want these 2 holes for some reason. And you can check, and there you go. And let's hide that. And then let's say our screw size changes. We can just very easily go and click. And let's say engineering decided that they needed 5/8 socket head cap screws. Very easy to change. And with the hole wizard, the through hole size and tolerancing and the counterbore size and depth gets pulled off of known standards. So it's very easy to keep track of and use. So that is how you use both Hole Wizard and Circular Pattern.